Okay, so this is how you create a copy of a file that you can edit instead of just view. So you're going to come up here underneath the title and click File, make a copy. It's going to bring up this page right here. You're going to delete the part where it says Copy Of and replace it with your own name first and last. So I'm just going to put Mrs. Watson here, dash, and then Venn diagram. Okay, here it should say your Google Drive because that's where it's going to save to, and press OK. It will then open up a brand new document in another window. As you can see up here, here's my original, here's my new copy one, and then this one you'll be able to click on and edit. And that is how you create your own copy.